Let's learn how to make a memory game together. Open the JI Tap app on your iPad. Click on the white plus and go to Layouts. Choose the amount of cards you want. To add text, go to the A. Use your fingers to place the text in the right boxes. Go back to the creation packs to select stickers. Tap on the magnifying glass to search the web for images. Tap on the images you'd like to use. Use your fingers to pinch the image to the right size. When you're done, go to the top right 3 dots and select Save to Album. Open a new slide and go to Albums and select the saved image. Tap on Background and there you go. On the new slide, go to the creation packs and go to Shapes. Find the shape that matches your boxes. Double tap on the shape to open a menu. Select Duplicate until you have all the cards covered. Next, tap on the hand and then select Hide on Tap. Do this for all the shapes. Once you're done, click on the play button on the upper left-hand corner to test out your slide. Tap on your shapes to uncover what's underneath and tap on them again to cover them back up. Go back to your editing suite and press on the 3 dots on the first slide to delete it. Then make a title page and publish.